Hey guys, it's Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're in the kitchen. I haven't made a cooking video in so long. I haven't made a serious cooking video like ever.
Chocolate funnel cake for the whole family to enjoy.
So I'm really excited today to be sharing my new healthy, exciting vegan journey with you.
Listen. Fuck up. Get out.
I heard on this podcast, I forget which one, but Beyonce and Jay-Z were doing like this 3-week veg pledge. And I was like, I could do that. I love a challenge and I've never been vegan. You guys know my previous journey with McDonald's every day, fast food, just Postmates, DoorDash, give me all the carbs, give me all the trash. So this has been a change, and if you are newly vegan or you want to go vegan, I feel like this video could help you. So I chose to do these few recipes that I've been eating almost every single day, and I'm really excited about them. So I have all the ingredients here, I have the recipes, and I'm ready to go. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a few things today. We're gonna be doing some Beyond Burger lettuce cups, which sound really easy if you are a vegan. Of course, you know Beyond Meat, and it's being incorporated to a lot of restaurants. Nowadays, beyond and impossible. Personally, I'm a Beyond girl. I feel like it just tastes so good. I'm obsessed. Next, we're gonna be doing some meatball bruschetta vibes with like a baguette. The other recipe we're gonna be doing is some cauliflower mashed potatoes, which are really exciting. And the last one we are gonna be doing is a cookie with ice cream for kind of like a little dessert fantasy moment. But before we get started, of course, you have to wash your hands. Just really lather it up, you know? Just get in there. Pro chef tip. Okay, so first thing, these are so delicious. I could literally die about it. These are some gorge plant-based meatballs. What you're gonna do is come on in. So we're just gonna dump this in, like all of them. And then we're gonna put this marinara sauce. This is like the little roasted garlic one. It's really good. And just put that all over. And then just put that on and let that cook. Okay, so now that that is happening back there, we're gonna start on the next recipe. This one is one that I literally eat all the time. Like, I'm gonna say like once every other day. So the bigger ones are better for this, like, but we're gonna be cutting them anyways. Like usually I cut like this, just to make them like little bite-sized moments. You'll see later, but a lot of the time I won't go like all the way to the center of it. Like it just is like too white, you know, and like firm in the middle. So the next thing we're gonna do is take these Beyond Burgers. These look really weird. I feel like this is like what people like that go to like space eat. Like this is like no packaging, not cute. It's like airtight, very like minimal, but they're really good. And like if you haven't like smelt or tasted these, it's either a love or hate. It's definitely like smells like shit, hate it, which is very nats, or you like it. I feel like I used to hate it, but now I really enjoy the smell and I'm like, oh my God, who's making food? I'm hungry. A little bit of EVOO. This is totally my Giada De Laurentiis coming out. Put it in the pan. And plop the NASA food on. Yeah, also fellow vegans, fellow Beyond Burger people out there, I need to know if you love or you hate it. I kind of want to do like a Beyond Burger / Impossible Meat like poll. Which one do you guys like more? Do you like Impossible? Because it's more like you can't tell. Like it's like impossible that it can't be meat, which someone explained to me, but Beyond is like, it's different. Like it tastes completely different and it either grows on you, like I said, or you fucking hate it.
Okay, so what Gigi wants to do is use this baguette and create, I know, what did you call it earlier?
It almost looks like a Subway. It's not a baguette. This looks like a big loaf to me. It looks like Subway.
What it says.
Like a sub or like a hoagie.
Yeah. But you want to do like kind of like a meatball parmesan. So we're gonna also be using this.
Because that's my favorite meal, non-vegan. If I was on death row,
Yes.
chicken parmesan would be my last meal.
Well, this might not be perfect, but guess what?
Oh my God, we're doing it big?
You
I
wanna
love
do
it.
really
No,
small?
I love it. That's like cuter, like
That's
sandwiches.
cute. And then we can cut it more if we want. Okay, you killed
Extra
it.
buttery.
That one's mine.
But like gorge though.
Okay, so we're putting it on this pan and we're going to put it in the oven.
Should I flip these beyond?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we can wait for a second to actually put these in.
Wow, this looks like fake lettuce, like a lettuce emoji.
Yeah, it really does.
Now time to cut the lettuce, and you want it to be like bite-size-ish. So like the way I like it is like I'll cut this off because that's like not cute. And then we'll do like this, bite-size-ish. Okay, so for the Beyond Burgers, this is the best part. Hill actually taught me about this. Okay. Hi. Basically what I do is just take one slice per burger. We're gonna be cutting these up, so it's gonna be like pretty messy. And I feel like vegan cheese melts really different than real cheese. Like it's like almost like a little bit, like dare I say, like plasticier. Once it's melted, it's like I don't even know the difference. Oh, that's kind of cute. Thanks, Terry Hatcher. Just a wedding present from Terry Hatcher herself. Oh my God, I feel like a desperate housewife right now. All right, first up, take your cauliflower rice, which looks also like NASA food.
Oh shit, here we go again.
I saw this thing on TikTok. It was like minor annoyances you do to your ex and you take their like microwave tray. I thought that was funny. So we thought it'd be a good idea to add some cheese to this because it is gonna be like a chicken parm sub, but vegan version. So we used the mature cheddar, which I've never used before. So we're gonna throw this in the oven. Oh my God, there's a hair.
Disgusting!
325 and keep your eye. Add all of these to your blender once they've been heated up. Olive oil with garlic, like that.
That's yeah, butter you can do.
Like a good amount.
Yeah.
Splash. Look at that already. So cute. Like that looks like mashed potatoes. Okay, so we're getting ready to plate our first dish for you guys. It's looking really good, I will say. So first things first, lay out the lettuce how you like. We did about 5 per plate. And then you can take your favorite hot sauce, mine is sriracha, and you just do a little zigzag moment over it. I feel like it makes it look very cute. Whenever I'm eating this for like lunch or dinner, I'm like, am I a gourmet chef? Like it looks like plated really nice.
I forgot you like to do it like this.
Isn't it cute though? Like it looks
Yeah,
really
it is.
nice to me.
It is.
So basically, I just take a little spoon and just break off like a little edge of that Beyond Burger with the cheese and then put it right in the middle like that. Ian, what do you think?
I think it looks so cute.
You think?
Yeah.
Welcome.
Come on in.
Come on in. Beyond Burger lettuce cut for you?
Yes.
So these are extra spicy, these are not. But I assume our customers want it hot.
I want hot. Yes. Oh my god. These are delish.
Are they?
Yes.
We're 1 out of 3 people.
They are so
What
good.
would you describe it as for the viewers at home that can't taste?
I would describe this, the crunch in the lettuce and the Beyond Beef. It tastes like a very flavored hamburger without the carbs of the bun.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Wow. Our customers know
Yeah,
best,
take
guys.
for sure.
This is not a paid advertisement.
Oh my god, that's delicious.
Isn't it? Oh my god, I know. Put it in the middle.
Cute.
As a finishing touch, this Violife Parmesan, which is the same brand of cheese.
Is it
obviously.
Bio or Via? I have no idea.
Vio.
Bio.
Violife,
Yes.
100% vegan. And it's shaped like Parmesan too, so cute. Our next client just walked in. Fresh off a hair appointment?
Oh yeah.
Hungry? In need of a meal? Meatball sub?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so hot.
Oh, sorry. Too hot, too hot. Just hot enough.
Delicious though.
Is
I
it?
could just eat more. But what?
Or too hot?
Once you're done, it's so good.
Well, it's fresh.
No, just give it
Always fresh here at Gigi Resto.
Yeah.
So out of 10, what would you rate it?
12.
You're 2 for 3. Yes.
8 years vegan, never had a sub like that.
Did we get that? That's gonna be. I'm gonna put that in the front window of my restaurant.
I
Wow.
just eat broccoli all day long. It's a sad, sad life.
Well, not anymore.
Yeah.
I got you.
Now that I have your YouTube,
Yeah.
my life has changed.
You're good. For
Okay?
many a reason.
Yeah, exactly.
So this is how the mashed potatoes are looking. Trust me, the smell, if you were here,
So-
very garlicky.
So pretty much the amount of time you want to leave it on after it comes out of the blender and goes into the pan is just to warm it up. Just make it nice and warm. Want to get your bowl?
Yes. They smell so good.
Oh shoot. Looks like
Looks like bird shit.
All right, it is in the bowl, hot and ready to eat. Do we have another client in the city, in the town? Okay, wait, it's really, really hot. Just like gauge it.
Oh, that's so garlicky. I'm so good.
oh, yeah.
That's my style.
yeah.
Good, you like
Middle
it?
Eastern. Nat's gonna be so happy that I have a mascot.
Oh,
Good, right?
thoughts?
Do we love it?
Amazing.
Does it have that mashed
Yeah.
potato?
Yeah, that's amazing.
Consistency?
You like it? She'll finish the spoon. And another great success.
Really hot.
It's really hot, huh?
But it's bomb.
Dessert time, everyone. So we've actually never eaten these ingredients specifically,
Never.
but it's one of our favorite desserts. We're trying to make it vegan. Don't judge us. This is just us at home. Everything is messy. Everything is disorganized. It's just what we do. But these are the V-Chip Isabella Cookie Company cookies. This is the V-Oat and this is the V-Chip. And they're really good.
Oh, good. I only had that one.
The oat one is better than the chocolate chip one, but I feel like with these two ice creams on them, they're gonna be really, really good. I was told by a friend this Netflix and Chilled is so good, so I'm very excited. Oh my God, we have a repeat customer. Have you been circling the block? Oat or chocolate chip?
I'll do chocolate chip, please.
Get it? Which
Oh my
one
God,
do you want?
so
Yours
good.
is scorch. I want to try the one that
Is it good?
It's washing down the garlic. It's so good. It's so good.
Is it?
Can I take this with me?
Of course.
did. There you go. Circle the block.
Yes,
Maybe we'll have
no.
We'll be back in 5. This is so
Oh,
good.
no, we're closing for the night.
Okay. Whoa. So good.
It's really messy and crumbly, but like, damn. Isn't it gorgeous? I know, right? Okay, so that was all of my vegan snacks that I've been loving right now. Please let me know what you think. Let me know if you try anything. Let me know what you've been cooking. And if you like these kind of videos, I would love to do more of these. I feel like they're so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until I see you guys in my next video, stay gorgeous. Vegan!